Now here's a summary of how Jamaica performed on day one of the Carifta Games 2025 in Port of Spain, Trinidad. Now, despite a few bumps in the road, the black, green, and gold came out swinging. We are top 19 medals to lead the table and kick off the mission to defend the crown. From track to field, youth from yard remind the region, so we still are the boss. They might have stumbled in a one and two races, but trust and believe when it comes to speed, Jamaica, not normal. Now, let's talk about the 100-meter madness. We did update you in a video prior that Jamaica still ruled the sprint. All eyes were on the 100-meter, and Jamaica never did disappoint. We're talking about Jamal Stephenson shelled down the track with a personal best 10.24, busting past the competition and claiming his first Carifta gold. The youth from Trinidad and Tobago and Grenada then pushed hard, but Stephen said, "Me have to stamp my name on this year championship." In the under 20 girls final, things take a turn when defending champ Sabrina Dakri got disqualified for a false start. Heartbreak for she and the whole camp. But guess what? Shanoya Douglas rise up like a queen and lock down the win in 11.26 seconds, showing the Caribbean, so Jamaica always now have one champ, but many. Meanwhile, little but Talawa, Michael Graham, claimed gold in the under 17 boys 100 meter with 10.53 seconds, while Jaden Collins collected bronze. In the girls' version, Ajura Campbell, she got silver once again. And also, let's move on to the other events that Jamaicans were in. Triple jump vibes and record business. You think so? Stop this, so think again. In the under 17 boys triple jump, Jamaica's Phillips mashed up the record with a wind assisted leap of 15.58 meter. Even his legal second jump of 15.26 meter broke the previous meet record. Just a jump out of the stadium, so big up yourself, Phillips. Now, Key Anthony Hall also get in on the action with bronze, showing that the field events are come alive too. In the girls' triple jump, Sabrina Atkinson left everything on the runway, flying out to 12.83 meter and earning silver behind Trinidad's Kenisha. One more medal in the bag. No, talk about power. We're talking about Joseph Salmon. He handled business in the Underboys 20 discus throw, launching a massive 56.82 for goal. Fellow Devante Edwards also land on the podium with a bronze, keeping the medal train rolling. Now, Jamaica did face some challenge, you know. What is the winnings without the challenges? We did talk about that crazy disqualification, it is thing bad, and the under 20 boys 400 meters saw both Jamaican athletes pull up. And compared to last year, we did slightly behind. We had 26 medals after day one in 2024 compared to 19 this time round. But remember this, Jamaica always finish strong, like we say. The race not over until them cross the finish line. Now it's on to tomorrow. There you're gonna see the 200 meter, 400 meter hurdles, long jumps, and relays coming up with 84 warriors flying the flag and enough talent still for showcase. You don't know so Jamaica now ease up, right? So stay tuned, stay proud, and remember this, Jamaica I lead the way as usual. Big up the whole team and stay tuned as we said. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Note that Jamaica is going for their 38th straight title and their 46th overall. So, yeah, don't the athletes them do them thing. All right, so also it's Akeem Blake that got the 9.96 at the Velocity Fest, winning his final. All right, so that's it for now, everyone. We'll talk tomorrow. Hope you enjoy this content. If you do, let us know by a thumbs up or a comment. Thank you so much. As usual, good night.